Okay, with Paradise Experience, it was great. I'm very pleased with my windows. The installers, they came in with experience. They were on time. They did the job from start to finish. Um, I mean, they was just incredible. I mean, and I'm so happy that I was able to get windows put in. They gave me a price for the windows that I could not refuse. Installation crew was marvelous. As I said, that they very experienced. They came in, they cut the windows out, they chopped them up. I mean, you know, they went from room to room. They cleaned behind themselves, which is great. They would not allow me to do any cleaning up, sweeping, walking behind them. They said, don't worry about it, ma'am. We got everything. We're going to take care of you. Again, I'm very excited about having the opportunity to get new windows. It looks so much better. The place looks so much better. I constantly look from day after day after day how beautiful the windows look, how nice the place looked as a result of getting the windows installed.